हेलो एवरीवन। तो मैं अमन फिर से आज एक वीडियो कर रहा हूँ रिकॉर्ड। आज हो गया है 14th डे स्पीच थेरेपी का, और देखते हैं कि ये और आगे कितने दिन तक हो पाता है कंसिस्टेंटली। सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट। तो आज मैं इस वीडियो के टाइम एक न्यूज़ रीड करूँगा एज अ पार्ट ऑफ रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस। मेरे पास लैपटॉप में एक न्यूज़ ओपन है, तो मैं उसको ही रीड करूँगा। तो न्यूज़ की जो हेडलाइन है वो है, नेपाल गवर्नमेंट tables in parliament amendment bill on map that includes Indian territory. The Nepal government on Sunday tabled a constitution amendment bill in parliament aimed at altering the country's map amid border dispute with India. Minister for Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs शिवामाया तुम्बहागनफे, मैं ठीक से बोल नहीं पाया लेकिन अब जो है ये ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नेपाल टेबल द बिल अ डे आफ्टर द मेन ऑपोजिशन नेपाली कांग्रेस ऑल्सो backed the legislation. It will be the second amendment to the constitution. Nepal recently released the revised political and administrative map of the country, laying claim over the strategically key areas of Lepu Lake, Kalapani and Limpiadhura. India reacted angrily to the move, saying such artificial enlargement of territorial claims will not be acceptable, and asked the neighboring country to refrain from such unjustified cartographic assertion. The bill seeks to amend the political map of Nepal included in Schedule 3 of the Constitution. The new map will be used in all official documents, including the coat of arms, after the amendment bill is endorsed through Parliament. Parliament will now deliberate on the proposal before endorsing the bill. After its endorsement by both the House of Parliament, the President will order issuance of the bill. The Central Committee of the main opposition party, Nepali Congress, on Saturday decided to back the bill. Last week, the proposed bill was removed from the business schedule of Parliament at the last minute at the request of Minister K.P. Sharma Oli. The discussion on the Constitution Amendment Bill was delayed as the Nepali Congress asked for more time to discuss the matter in its high-level body. Similarly, the Samajwadi Janata Party Nepal and the Rashtriya Janata Party Nepal demanded that their long-standing calls for constitutional amendment also be incorporated. It requires a two-thirds majority to endorse the constitution amendment bill. During an all-party meeting on Tuesday, Prime Minister Oli urged the top leaders of all political parties represented in parliament to unanimously endorsed it. Ties between India and Nepal came under strain after Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated an 80-kilometer long strategically crucial road connecting the Lipulek Pass with Dharchula in Uttarakhand on May 8. Nepal reacted sharply to the inauguration of the road, claiming that it passed through uh, Nepalese territory. India rejected the claim, asserting that the road lies completely within its territory. Nepalese Foreign Minister Pradeep Kumar Gyawali earlier this month summoned Indian Ambassador Vinay Mohan Kwatra and handed over a diplomatic note to protest against India inaugurating the key road. However, Gyawali last week said that he was confident that the Kalapani issue between the two neighbors will be resolved through talks. India on Thursday indicated its readiness to engage with Nepal to resolve the festering border row based on mutual sensitivity and respect. India is monitoring the current situation in Nepal. In Nepal, External Affairs Minister spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said, referring to Kathmandu deferring a plan to bring in a constitutional amendment to validate a new map that depicted Lipulek, Kalapani, and Limpiadhura as its territory. India is open to engaging with all its neighbors on the basis of mutual sensitivity and mutual respect in an environment of trust and confidence. This is a continuous process and requires constructive and positive efforts, Srivastava said. The Lipulek Pass is a far western point near Kalapani, a disputed border area between Nepal and India. Both India and Nepal claim Kalapani as an integral part of their territory. India as part of Uttarakhand's Pithora Garh district and Nepal as part of धारचूला डिस्ट्रिक्ट. दैट्स इट एवरीवन. इसी के साथ ये वीडियो ओवर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर. स्टे सेफ. स्टे होम. बाय बाय.